In today's video, we'll look at why your Nighthawk router is blinking white and how to fix the issue. When your router status LED is blinking white, it indicates that the firmware is corrupted. Fortunately, you can upload functional, non-corrupted firmware to your Nighthawk router using a TFTP client. Here's how to do it. First, go to pj2.github.io on a web browser to download and install the TFTP-D64 application. Next, visit Netgear's website to access the Download Center, where you can find and download your router's firmware update zip file. Extract this file to your computer. Connect your computer to the router directly via Ethernet and set your desktop to operate on a static IP address. Ensure that only your computer is connected to the router via Ethernet. Configure TFTP-D64 to connect to your router and open the firmware update file from the interface, but do not click Put Yet. Turn off the router and then turn it back on. After a few seconds, the power LED will light orange and then start blinking. When the blinking starts, click Put in TFTP-D64 to initiate the firmware upload. You will receive a confirmation dialog box once the upload is complete. If the upload is unsuccessful, repeat the process. The power LED on the router will turn solid white when the device finishes storing the firmware. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.